Wagwan everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Welcome back. Today's video will be about who shot Bob Marley. December 3, 1976. Gunshots rang out inside Bob Marley's home in Kingston, Jamaica. The reggae legend, his wife Rita, and his manager Don Taylor were wounded in what became one of the most infamous assassination attempts in music history. But the question still lingers nearly 50 years later. Who shot Bob Marley? Bob Marley wasn't just a musician, he was a voice of unity in a country deeply divided. At the time, Jamaica was torn between two major political parties, the People's National Party, PNP, led by Michael Manley, and the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, led by Edward Seager. Violence between supporters of both sides was at an all-time high. Just 2 days before the shooting, Bob was set to perform at the Smile Jamaica concert, a free show organized by the government. Many believed this was Marley showing support for the PNP, even though he said it was simply about peace. On the night of December 3, 1976, armed gunmen stormed Marley's home at 56 Hope Road. Rita Marley was shot in the head. Don Taylor was critically injured, and Bob himself was grazed by bullets in the chest and arm. Miraculously, all three survived. And in true Marley fashion, just 2 days later, bandaged and bruised, he still performed at the Smile Jamaica concert. That image of resilience cemented his legendary status. But who ordered the attack? That's where things get complicated. There are three main theories about who was behind the attempt on Bob Marley's life. Political rivals. Some believe the attack was orchestrated by political operatives tied to the JLP, who feared Marley's concert would sway public opinion toward Michael Manley's PNP. The CIA theory. During the Cold War, Jamaica was strategically important. Manley had close ties to socialist Cuba, and some argue the CIA saw Marley's influence as a threat. Former gunmen even claimed they were hired with U.S. involvement. Street gangs and local power struggles. Kingston was run by powerful gang leaders connected to politics. Some historians say the shooting wasn't just about politics or foreign powers, but a clash between local dons who saw Marley's message of peace as dangerous to their control. Bob Marley never publicly named who shot him. Perhaps he knew the truth, or perhaps it didn't matter. Instead of seeking revenge, he doubled down on his message of unity and love. Just 2 years later, at the 1978 One Love Peace concert, Bob famously joined the hands of rival leaders Michael Manley and Edward Seager on stage, symbolizing the very peace the gunman tried to silence. To this day, the question remains unanswered. Who really shot Bob Marley? Was it politics, the CIA, or local gang warfare? What we do know is this: the bullets failed. Bob Marley's voice still echoes around the world, louder than any gunfire. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, big up yourself and walk good. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on all things Jamaica.